Hello and what's up guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel again. So today we're gonna talk about YouTube ads, how to earn $50 to $100 per day watching your own video ads. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download these softwares. Number one is ZenMate VPN. It's an extension for Google Chrome. Number two is Remouse or Macro Recorder. First of all, open your Google Chrome and search for Chrome Store. Then here search for ZenMate. Here you can install ZenMate for your Google Chrome. I have already installed it. Connect the VPN and search for whore.net. Here you can check your IP address. My IP address 156.146.59.14. Now restart your Chrome, close and open again your Chrome and then search for whore.net. You can see your IP address is changed. Every time you restart your Google Chrome, your IP address will be changed. Here you can see my IP address is changed. Now install the software Macro Recorder or any software that record mouse movement. You can install Remouse or any of other you want. So now record a new macro. Here click any of the video you want. Here you can see the ad is running.
In content creators.
Now skip the ad and watch your video for some time. Then close the Google Chrome and stop the macro recorder. Now go to playback, and here you can see playback speed or repeat 100 times. I'll do it 100 times. You can do as you want, and then play. It will play as you recorded. You can see YouTube is opening automatically. It will do the procedure again and again and again. Here you can save your macro file. So that's it for today's video. I hope this will work for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.